Hey friends, I have a terrific recipe for you today. It's my creamy Creole chicken and sausage pasta. It is perfect for a weeknight dinner. It only takes about maybe 20-30 minutes and boom, your dinner is done. I will have all of your ingredients listed below. So let's get started. I have some pasta that I cooked according to package, and it's some penne pasta. I added some salt to the water. And now I am actually seasoning both sides of the chicken because you eat both sides, and I took all of the seasonings and combined them together, and then I just covered my chicken with it. So now I have some easy OO in a pan, and I'm adding in my chicken tenders. So if you don't want to use chicken tenders, you use chicken breast or chicken thighs. Whatever your preference is on you, because you are the king or the queen of your castle. So anyway, I'm going to cook these until they're done, about 160 degrees. I'm going to turn them and saute on both sides. I'm going to also add in a little bit of butter because I think the butter is going to make it even more yummy. So I'm going to add in a couple of tablespoons of butter. And then I am going to spoon that over the chicken as well. And then I'm going to set it aside. And then in the same very pot, I'm going to add in the smoked sausage. And we want to cook that until that is brown, and then we want to set it aside. To the pan, I'm adding in some onion, and I'm sauteing that till it's translucent. And then I'm adding in some garlic and some bell pepper. I'm going to add some salt and some pepper to season, and I'm going to stir to combine this. You guys, this is a terrific and also simple one-pot meal. I've added in some dried tomatoes. These are optional, and I've added in some asparagus. This is also optional if you don't want that in, but I wanted a little veggies into my dish. So I added them in. Now I'm adding in the remaining of my Creole seasoning blend. And if you wanted to make it a little bit more spicy, you can add in a little bit more Cajun. And I think later on when I taste it, I'll wind up adding that in. So I want to saute this for a little while, and then I'm going to move it to the side. And so now I'm going to add in my heavy whipping cream. So I'm adding my heavy whipping cream, and then I'm adding in some cream cheese. And so I'm going to melt this, and then I'm going to mix this all together. I've also added in some basil, which I did not show you guys, to me adding in a little bit of dry basil. And you can kind of play around with your Italian seasonings as well. You can add in some, if you don't want to do dry basil, you can just do an Italian blend, or you can do more oregano, because oregano is in there. So now I'm starting to combine, and I'm going to let this simmer till it thickens. I've added in my penne pasta that is cooked, and I'm going to stir to combine this, and then I'm going to add back in my sausage and some cheese. And you guys know, once I start adding in the yummy cheese and the sausage, this dish is done. You just need to have your garlic bread. That's a little bit of chicken bouillon that I added in to give it more flavor. This is my shredded Parmesan cheese. Now I'm adding in some grated Parmesan cheese. I just want it to really melt in and be really lovely and just delicious and creamy. And look at this, you guys. This dish is done. Once I add back in the chicken and I add back in the sausage, then it's a done deal. So here's the sausage going back in. And I think I'm just gonna top the dish just for presentational purposes I think it may look good, but normally you would just cut your chicken up and then put it back in. But here you go. I'm putting it into the bowl, you guys. It's all about me dressing it up. So now I'm adding in the pasta, all of the cooked pasta. Now I'm adding the chicken on top. And you guys, this dish is done. I want to thank you for watching. Give your girl a thumbs up. And as always, I want to tell you, thank you for watching, and enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.